Just messing around with different baits, trying to see what's coming in on them. I just got set up, and yeah, I saw a big mark moved up. Of course, didn't hesitate, hit the tiny tungsten again. So, all right, let's get some more fish. Good morning, guys. Early morning for me. Hopefully you guys aren't watching this too early. If you are, sorry. Just getting out. It's gonna storm tomorrow, and we're gonna get a bunch of snow. And currently it's actually negative 16 degrees outside. So fingers crossed I stay warm, and if you're seeing this, we got on some fish. Well, there's the first slimer of the day. 28 inches. I'm gonna put this girl back. All right, back you go. Go eat some more gills. Of course, I didn't get that one on film. Just messing around with different baits, trying to see what's coming in on them. I just got set up, and yeah, I saw a big mark moved up. Of course, didn't hesitate, hit the tiny tungsten again. So, all right, let's get some more fish. Little guy. There's another one. Oh, wait, give me more worm back. Oh, here comes another one.
Missed him. See if he'll come back. I don't know, I missed that guy. Just your little bluegills. Just need your bigger brother. Okay, so they're biting this, but they're biting way too short. So they're missing the hook every single time. I had like 6 bites in a row. Chop it down to real short here, so they can't miss it. There's a better one. Yeah, hard. Let's see if I can get him to come back. I don't even know if I have any bait on there. He ate it with no bait. No bait on it right now. Alright. It's prime time. No time to mess around without the bait. see if they'll hit this plastic. Or they'll go away. Oh, here comes one. Alright, they're hitting the plastic, but they're not getting the hook. One more try with this one. They're not eating the whole thing. Alright, time to go on the checklist here. Oh. This one they can't eat without getting the hook, because the bug is over the hook. Oh, flying in. Oh, he missed it, but he did. That one actually held on to it. It's a better looking fish. Getting taller. Alright, they won't eat any plastics firmly, so I'm putting some live bait down. Let's see if they actually eat this and hold on to it. He ate it twice. I just can't set the hook right. As soon as there's competition down there, they go nuts. I'd like to see you in about 4 years. Bye-bye. Cool. Feels like a better one. Because it is. First big pumpkin seed of the day. Then your bigger brother. That's a big one. Another big one. Love the colors on these guys. Look how they eat it. I was gonna keep them. That's the size. Alright, this is like a race. You got like 20-30 minutes of light left. I don't even know if you guys can see. Here comes another one. Little gill. Back down we go. There comes one. Hit it and then ran away, huh? Wonder if he felt the hook. Oh, that feels like a good one. Oh, it's because it is. Look at that gill. That's like a perfect fish. So perfect. That one came flying in. Oh, and it's digging. There's one of those bigger ones. Bet you that's a 9. They are a little bigger than 8.5. But he's tall and strong. I'm gonna measure this guy. Just a solid 8. Oh no, that was a big one. Give him to come back. Might have caught that guy without any bait. Yep, he just ate it like a bug. Oh, there's a tiny little bit on there. Let's see if I can get this down there and get that other big one. That feels like a good one. Yep. There's a couple of these guys down there. And they're willing to eat that little bait, so I'm gonna keep going after them. Speed round. I can barely mark it, but that's okay. Here comes one. Get him to come back. Got him. Not as big, but they all fight pretty good. On that little thing. Go down. Gotta get back down there. It's the first female I got.
Okay guys, so obviously I got a bunch of little fish again. Some of them were decent bluegills, or pumpkin seeds I should say. I did get that one big northern right away. I didn't even get set up yet. Of course he had to come in when I didn't have the GoPro running, but you guys seen videos before. If you haven't seen the video, I'll put it up here right now, where I got hundreds of those guys. So if you're looking for some action, click on that video. Other than that, it's nothing new to say. If you're not new here, you know what's up. But if you're new, please just remember to